Okay. Now we are going to discuss about male reproductive system. Sorry. Yes, male reproductive system. So, in male reproductive system, what are gonads?
Organs, testis.
Sex organs, primary
Yeah.
sex organs.
Yes. So, what are primary sex organs in male?
Testis, ma'am.
Yes, testes. Very good. So, testes are the gonads in male.
Male.
Now, you can see here a clear picture of male reproductive system. Okay. At first, you can see testes are covered by scrotum. Okay. Testes are covered by scrotum, that is part of our skin, and testis is hanged by vas deferens. Means the vas deferens is holding the testis. Means epididymis is holding the testis, and vas deferens is the tube which holding the testis. Then inside the testis, so many seminiferous tubules are there, and then from these seminiferous tubules, a sperm is getting generated, and it travel through vas deferens, and then coming to prostate, and from there it connects with urethra. Okay, you can see here picture. Okay, so from testes, seminiferous tubules inside testes, they seminiferous tubules are highly convoluted tubules. Highly convoluted means curved. So highly convoluted tubules means so much curved, and then it is the sperms go through vas deferens and come to prostate, and after prostate they connect with urethra, and it is transferred or it travels through penis. So this is the pathway of sperm. So sperm, why testes are located outside the body? We have already discussed this. Yes, anyone please? Why testes are located outside the body?
Because
Yes, your
yeah,
voice is not
Nancy,
clear.
you can answer.
I'm not getting you. Please answer.
I think it is because of the temperature.
Yeah. So for production of sperm, for generation of sperm, and for storage of sperm, and for survival of sperm, all these things need a bit lower temperature than body temperature. 2-3 degree lower temperature is needed in comparison to body temperature. So generation, storage and survival of sperm needs a bit lower temperature than body temperature. That is why testes are located outside the body, and this is the main reason why after inserting, means after going to the female body, when sperm is transferred to female body, sperms do not survive, only few sperms survive. This is the main reason that female body, inside the female body temperature is high. So because of high temperature, sperms do not survive. So many of sperms die because of the high temperature in female body. So this is the reason, and here in this picture you can see the prostate gland, the ejaculatory duct, and just behind the this reproductive system, anal canal and rectum is there. So you can see here, just behind the pubic bone, bladder is present, and beside that bladder prostate gland is present, and just below the pubic bone penis is present. Okay. And yes, here in this picture it is a front view. Here you can see how seminiferous tubules means sorry, this vast difference, and epididymis is holding testis, and they are going to prostate gland and then connecting to urethra, and they are coming outside from body. Now, male gonads are consisting one pair of testes which generate sperm. Okay, now accessory glands in male reproductive system are seminal vesicles, prostate gland, Copper's gland, or bulbolateral gland. Lateral gland. What is semen? Semen is actually sperm. Testes, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, corpus gland, Copper's gland, etc. Means when sperm is traveling through all these testes, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and corpus gland, then the mixture of all these with sperm makes the semen. Okay, means semen terminology is used when sperm is mixing or traveling through accessory glands and mixing with the secretions of accessory gland, and the same pathway through which urine is passing through, on that same pathway sperm is also passing through. Now, scrotum. Scrotum is the pouch like structure. It can be seen from outer body, and inside scrotum testis is present. So yes, due to temperature it is outside the body. Testis work at approximately 35 degrees Celsius, and normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. I think you people know the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit. What is the normal temperature in Fahrenheit of body?
6
Yes.
degrees.
I'm not getting.
98 degrees.
Yes, 98-degree Fahrenheit. Are you people getting my voice? Because I am not getting your voice properly.
We are able to hear you well.
Okay. Okay. So, inside testes, there are so many compartments. Those are known as testicular lobules. Okay. In this picture, you can see that inside testes, there are so many compartments divided, and these compartments are known as testicular lobules. Okay, and inside these testicular lobules seminiferous tubules are present, and seminiferous tubules are present, yes, and inside these seminiferous tubules sperm is getting generated. Okay. So leading cells inside these seminiferous tubules also generate or also secrete testosterone hormone. Okay, these seminiferous tubules only also generate testosterone hormone. And these are the some other structures. Ray testis seminiferous tubule से जुड़ी duct. Okay, and you can see here in this picture ray testis, it is the duct connected to seminiferous tubules, means the seminiferous tubules are being collected and making this ray testis. Then vas efferentia. Vas efferentia is where these ray testes are, where these ray testes are getting accumulated. Okay, that is vas efferentia. And then epididymis. Epididymis is actually vas efferentia, means these testes, inside the testes there are so many compartments, and inside those compartments seminiferous tubules are present. These seminiferous tubules are generating sperm and also secreting testosterone hormone. Now these seminiferous tubules are getting collected by these ray testes, and these ray testes are getting collected as epididymis, and this epididymis is known as vas efferentia or vasa efferentia. So the sperms take 3 weeks to get stored. From generating sperm to storing sperm, it takes 3 weeks. And vast difference is the duct between, means vast difference is the duct extending from epididymis. Okay, here in this picture also you can see vast difference. Yes, here in this picture also the cord or duct that is collecting sperms from epididymis is vas deferens. Okay, the long tube-like structure depicted by red color is vas deferens. Okay. Yes, vas deferens is going through above the urinary bladder, and seminal vesicles are accessory gland which connect with this vas deferens. Okay, you can see in this picture seminal vesicle that is depicted by yellow color, where with which this vas deferens is getting connected, and it is a accessory gland. Now ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct is vas deferens plus seminal vesicles. Okay, so ejaculatory duct means where these both are getting connected, then after that connection it is known as ejaculatory duct. When vas deferens is being connected with seminal vesicle, then after that connection it is known as ejaculatory duct, and this ejaculatory duct further connecting to urethra. Now prostate gland. Prostate gland ये अपना सिक्रेशन यूरेथ्रा में मिलाती है. Yes, The um, secretory product of prostate gland is being released through urethra. And next is bulbourethral gland, that is Cooper's gland. And this gland is also accessory gland, and this gland also releases its secretion to urethra. Now, seminal vesicles are secreting mucus, fructose, prostaglandin, etc. Fructose is a type of glucose, and for sperm, this fructose is needed. Okay. Sorry, fructose is a type of carbohydrate, and means it's a type of, yes, carbohydrate. So sperms need fructose for energy. Now, prostaglandin. Uh, Prostaglandin is a hormone, and this hormone, um, what does this work? This this act as making the mucus of female body more dilute or more thin inside the vagina and cervix. It makes the mucus thin. And prostate gland, secretion of prostate gland is milky fluid, citrate and anticoagulants. Means prostate gland secrete citrate, means citric acid. Okay, citrate is citric acid, and anticoagulants, and this makes the color of sperm white. Okay, so what makes the color of sperm white? That is the secretion of prostate gland, which are citrate, means citric acid, and anticoagulants. Citrate provides sperm energy, means sperm is also getting energy from citrate. And what anticoagulants do? Anticoagulants mainly do the mucus inside vagina thinner. Okay, anticoagulants mainly make the mucus inside vagina more thinner. Now, bulbourethral gland or Cooper's gland. This secrete alkaline clear mucus. Okay, because urine is acidic, and that makes urethra also acidic, but sperm cannot survive in such an acidic environment. That is why bulbourethral gland is creating alkaline clear mucus. So this alkaline clear mucus makes the urethra a bit makes the environment of urethra a bit surviving for semen. ओके, इसीलिए बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड से अल्कलाइन क्लियर म्यूकस निकलता है, तो यूरेथ्रा को अल्कलाइन मीडियम बना देता है, और स्पर्म और सीमेन भी अल्कलाइन मीडियम का हो जाता है. ओके, मीन्स this bulbourethral gland is releasing alkaline clear mucus, and this makes the environment of urethra a bit good, or being survivable for semen, and makes the environment a bit alkaline medium. Now, this alkaline medium semen converted to acidic medium in vagina. Okay, and these are blood group, antigen, antibodies. is not needed here. So this is short information or basic male reproductive system. Any questions, any query regarding this? Any question? Any confusion
Ma'am, we have to learn all the names regarding
regarding?
male reproductive reproductive system.
See, no, just observe the concept, learn the concept from which pathway sperm is getting generated, being traveled, and how they are going to the vaginal canal, and how they are being fertilized, the menstrual cycle, and then childbirth, that only, and the gonads, which hormones are being secreted by gonads and what are their function, and accessory glands. These are the main things.
Okay, ma'am.
Just learn the basic concept. Gonads, accessory glands, their secretion, and the pathway semen or gametes are being generated and traveling through. And if the fertilization is not occurring, then what is the next? That is the main thing. So, any question? In doubt?
Ma'am, you will share the notes on Monday.
I will try as soon as possible. I will try today only. If it is today, I think it will be not possible to make all the slides in English. So, I will try as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay. So, no question, no confusion, no doubt. So, we will stop the class for today. We will meet tomorrow with new system.